Hello and welcome guys. In this video I will show you how to create a page in WordPress website. So very simple and basic way to create a page. Move cursor here and first you need to log in your WordPress dashboard. So hover cursor in this top bar and here you will see some options like page. Click on it. So this is your new page. Add your title and data, meta description and keyword, then publish it. And another way, move cursor in this left side panel and here you will see pages. You can see all pages and here is the option add new. So click here. Type your title, your data or your content. Then keyword and meta description. Then publish it. Now view your page. So this is the way you can create a page in your WordPress website. Thanks for watching and please share, like and subscribe the channel for more useful videos.